Hey there, this is Tyler from the Forest School. Thank you so much for your application to our school. We love our school, obviously, and we're excited to get to know your family. We know you spend a lot of time going through these steps. We also want to invite you to, and thank you in advance for your patience with us throughout this process. We have a tiny admissions team, and we are literally fielding hundreds of applications for our school. And we're excited to read yours, and our team will read it. We will give it time and consideration, and we will reach out to you if you were advanced to the next round of collaborative interviews. So please know this is our message to you to say that we've received it and we are going to read it and to thank you very much. Obviously, somehow, some way, our mission that each person who enters our doors will find a calling that will change the world has resonated for you and your family. And so we very much hope that you all keep moving steps in that direction as we do as well. And so thank you again and enjoy your day.